In this review, we're skipping the grill today and heading straight to the stovetop for a turkey burger recipe from Healthy Recipes blog. It promises to be juicy, flavorful, and anything but boring. Let's see if it earns a spot in your weeknight lineup or gets sidelined by better burgers. Okay, so I've made turkey burgers in the past, and some were pretty good, and some not so much. I wasn't sure what to expect from this version, but I went into it with an open mind. They were very easy to make, just mix everything in a bowl, form them into patties, and fry them up in a skillet. The ingredients list looked pretty standard, although a half cup of fresh parsley seemed like a lot, as well as cooking them in 4 tablespoons of olive oil. But again, I gave them a fair shot. I appreciated the tip to use moistened hands when forming and handling the patties because that makes a big difference. They did not stick at all, which was nice. I used 93% lean turkey and they cooked up with a nice sear from the cast iron skillet. I used medium heat, which was plenty, and made sure to keep an eye on them so they didn't overcook. They smelled wonderful, and I was ready to get to the taste test. Speaking of the taste test, I served it on just a plain, lightly toasted bun with nothing else because I wanted to get a true sense of the flavor of the burger. When I took that first bite, I was pleasantly surprised at how juicy and flavorful it was. It was incredibly delicious. This was no ordinary bland, tasteless turkey burger. I could taste the smoked paprika and Dijon mustard coming through, and the touch of mayonnaise made sure it stayed moist. Letting the patties rest briefly also ensured they stayed juicy. The second bite was even better than the first one, and I love the addition of the fresh parsley. These are the best turkey burgers I've ever had. I dare say they even rival a good beef burger, and for me, that's really saying something. I also appreciate that you can make them fairly quickly for a last-minute weeknight meal. The proportion of ingredients is perfect, and everything blends together in a truly flavorful, juicy burger. I give them 1,000 stars and highly recommend you give them a try. You won't be disappointed. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.